Hello first class kids. Today we are going to learn computer. So you take out your computer book, lesson number 1. This is your lesson number 1, Introduction to Computer. Natural and man-made things. Some things like sun, air, water, etc. occur in nature. These are called natural things and are not made by man. Following are the example of natural things. These are natural things like sea, star and moon and sun. The non-living things that are made by man are called man-made things, such as aeroplane, car, refrigerator, etc. All machines are man-made things, but all man-made things may not be machines. Man-made things which are not machines मीन्स कि आदमी की बनाई हुई चीज़ें जो मशीन नहीं है. Some man-made things are not machines. For example, school bag, chair, pen, etc. These are not machines. Machines are man-made things. They have the following qualities. Machines are made to the certain task. Machines make our work easier. Means machines हमारा काम जो है आसान कर देती है. Machines save our time while doing a task. जब भी हम किसी मशीन्स पे काम करते हैं तो ये हमारा टाइम क्या करती है, बचाती है. ठीक है. लाइक हम मीन्स सम कर रहे हैं तो जब हम सम करते हैं तो कितना टाइम लगाते हैं, जैसे आप लोग अभी फिंगर्स पे काउंट करते हो. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही जब हम सम कंप्यूटर पे करेंगे तो वो हमारा टाइम बचाएगा. जल्द से डिजिट डालो, ऐड करना ऐडिंग का निशान, माइनस करना माइनस का निशान डालो और क्लिक करो तो हमारा आंसर आ गया. तो मीन्स हमारा टाइम बच गया ना. ओके. मशीन्स नीड सम थिंग्स सच एज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पेट्रोल और एनी अदर फ्यूल टू ऑपरेट ऑन. जैसे अभी फ़ैन है चल रहा ऊपर, तो फ़ैन को चलने के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत है. अगर लाइट होगी तो फ़ैन चलेगा, अगर नहीं होगी तो नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. ऐसे जैसे कार है, उसको चलने के लिए पेट्रोल की ज़रूरत होती है. अगर पेट्रोल डालेंगे तो वो हमारी कार चलेगी ना, अगर नहीं डालेंगे तो नहीं चलेगी. ऐसे मशीन्स facilitate better communication. Machines reduce the chance of committing mistakes. Machine reduce the cost of production. Computer a smart machine. A computer is a man-made machine. It is an electronic device because it works on electricity. तो बेटा यहाँ पे ये जो कंप्यूटर है ना वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे काम करता है ना, इसलिए इसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस बोलते हैं. ओके. इट मेक आवर वर्क इजी. इट वर्क फास्टर देन ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड. फैक्ट टू नो. Machines are man-made things. The computer is a special machine. A computer can perform a large number of calculations in few seconds. It solves some very quickly and accurately. It works very fast. The computer has the computer has a memory like us. It can store lots of information. We can play games on its monitor. It can help us to paint and draw on the monitor. We can watch cartoon and movies on it. Some points for review. Points to review. There are two types of things, natural and man-made things. All machines are man-made and they make our work easy. The computer is also a machine which runs on electricity. A computer works very fast and never gets tired. A computer helps us to paint and draw on monitor. We also listen to songs, watch movies and play games on it. A computer can store lots of information. A computer solves some very quickly and accurately. Now take your pencil and number A, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. Which one of these are machines? इनमें से कौन सी machines है? Pen? No. Book? No. Hair dryer? Yes. Pencil is not man-made machine. Hair dryer is a machine. Okay, so tick here. Number 2. Which one of these are natural things? Refrigerator, star, chair, toys. So, refrigerator is man-made, chair man-made, toys man-made. So, star is a natural. Tick here. Number 3. A computer is a smart machine, antivirus, software or game. So, computer is smart machine. Tick here. Computer is a smart machine. Tick here. B part is not in syllabus. C. Put T for true and F for false statements. Number 1. A computers work very slowly. Very slowly computer work. No. It is very fast. So, right here. So, right here. False. Number 2. A computer can remember lots of things. Can remember lots of things ना? मीन्स कि कंप्यूटर एक टाइम पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें लर्न कर सकता है, याद रख सकता है. तो दिस इज ट्रू. अ कंप्यूटर कैन सॉल्व सम वेरी क्विकली. वेरी क्विकली ना सॉल्व करता है ना वो जल्दी से सम. तो राइट हियर ट्रू. A computer is a natural thing. Natural thing? No. This is a man-made thing. So, right here, false. A computer cannot work accurately. Right here, false. Number 3, match the following. D portion. Match the following. Match. Air conditioner. Which is air conditioner? This. So, right here, this. Aeroplane. Where is aeroplane? Here. aeroplane. Hair dryer. Where is the hair dryer? This is hair dryer. Mobile phone. Car. Yes. So turn the next page. So next page, E portion, answer the following questions. We will do it next video. Thank you.